Now we shall proceed to the displacement derivation, which is type 2, and herein we are supposed to pick this EABD. It is in the shape of trapezium, and we can see that AE is parallel to BD, and these are the parallel sides. Now area of the trapezium is nothing but half of the sum of the parallel sides into the perpendicular. This being the parallel sides, AE plus BD into half into AE plus BD into AC, this being the height of the trapezium, which is the perpendicular altitude. Now all this boils down to the finding out of the displacement. As you know, the area under the line gives the displacement derivation. It gives the direct value of displacement for velocity time graph, which is in uniform motion. That is important, very important. Now watch out, AE is nothing but U and BD is nothing but V. Therefore this is U plus V into AC is nothing but T. Now replacing the value of T with our parent equation derived from this is the value of T, and here I replace this value with this value in the equation to obtain half into U plus V into V minus U. U plus V can also be written as V plus U, because addition is commutative. Applying our identity A plus B into A minus B, we have, and taking this 2a to the LHS, I have 2as is equal to V square minus U square, and this is the third and final equation derivation from the velocity time graph for uniform motion. So let me sum up this entire graph and study of these three cardinal equations of kinematics. This equation has been derived from the graph with the help of the definition itself, and here we have the areas of triangle and the rectangle, and all we have done is just replace the value of V minus U in this equation, and for this equation it is nothing but the area of the entire trapezium taken into consideration, and simply replacing the T value from this parent equation and applying this into this equation in order to arrive at the conclusion. And this is all you need to remember in order to get a very good grip of this subject. Once these equations and derivations are very clear, doing the numericals is simply child's play, and you will find it very easy to do the problems.